date is the 9th of July 2021. That this is Tupavuori 3 staircase E, and this will be the last staircase to be filmed here. We have now filmed all 7 staircases in this residential building here. Kulosaari, Brändö, Helsinki is first Finland, and this was built by ValmetSchlieren in 1978, and this has to be early 1978 because originally the metro should have been opened in August 1977, but was eventually delayed by 5 years, but this was still finished in 1978. As in numbers VS 51, 89, and going to be expected in next year, 2022. Capacity is 4 birds, so 305 grams, and now let's try it. It's maintained by Ismo Hissi and inspected by Kilo Inspector. And we now have all the staircases filmed from A to G.
Yeah.
That's it, thank you very much for watching, and now let's go and search for more buildings here in Kulosaari. That's it. More on the way.
That's